Hello. Okay, let me tell y'all how my trip started. Come to the airport with me. But first, can you guess where we're going? You'll find the answer at the end of the video. Okay, we made it to the airport, acting like we travel for a living. Then boom, face card. Now it's time to say all the prayers and ask God to please make this plane behave because a girl is trying to reach her destination. Okay, now it's time for the banan peze and the griot. Just kidding. I don't know what that was, honestly. Comme yo di mse manje, mte oblige manje li men. Li manke magi, li manke epis, li manke tout bagay. En tout cas. 9 hours later and we're still not there yet. Bon, e si avyon pran pan gaz men? Bon, distre mind mwen ansam avek ti view sa. Very nice view. Very demure. Very nice. Relaxing. Sometimes you just gotta sit, breathe, and take it all in. Looking at this view is a reminder that God is great, His creation is divine, and every experience in your life is a blessing. You have to live your life to the fullest. Oh, by the way, we landed in Greece. Welcome to Athens. Like and subscribe for more videos of my journey. Bisous.